Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this beautiful 2025 Volvo S90 plug-in hybrid T8 Ultra. So this is a very nice luxury sedan. I love the S90 and I love this plug-in hybrid Ultra. It's very luxurious in here. The seats are very comfortable, very beautiful with the nice perforation, open pore wood trim, leather dash, leather on the door, extended leather. You have the Harman Kardon sound system. This one does not have the Bowers and Wilkins. You have a beautiful Orfor Sweden crystal gear shifter, which I love. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360-degree camera system. It's a pretty standard Volvo interior. They're all pretty much the same. You have the Google integration in the maps. You have a head-up display. It shows your hybrid power, how much you have on the battery and how much you have in the tank. You have heated seats and you also have a heated steering wheel, which is pretty nice and it looks pretty good. Let's go walk around this S90. Eight-speed Geartronic automatic transmission, 455 horsepower, 523 pound-feet of torque combined with the electric assistance, 312 horsepower direct and 143 horsepower electric motor. Dual voltage charging cable comes with the car. You have Apple CarPlay, Harman Kardon premium sound. Total suggested retail price is $72,395 on this vehicle. Looks really good. You have those are the wheels that you'll find on a lot of Volvo recharge products and plug-in hybrids. Thor's Hammer daytime running lights look really, really good. It's a very beautiful car. I love this car. And here are the rear seats. Obviously tons of leg room, super luxurious with a big sedan like this. I love this. You have heated rear seats. You can you have power operated sunshades and a rear power operated sunshade, which is really, really nice. And you can move the passenger seat forward and backwards if you want. This is like a car you can be chauffeured in. The back looks really good too. They changed the tail, they upgraded the tail lights on the S90 like 2 years ago, I believe. You have the T8 plug-in hybrid all-wheel drive badge. Let me see if I can figure out how to open this thing. Very interesting. I can't figure out how to open this. Doesn't matter. Let's get this S90 out on the road and see what it's like to drive it. Go to the settings. I'm gonna go to power. Enhances steering and suspension feedback and optimizes power for sporty driving. You also have constant all-wheel drive, hybrid mode. I've gotten a few videos on 2025 Volvos. Let me know which ones you'd like to see if I haven't covered it yet in the description, in the comments below. Wow, this car is pretty quick. I think it does 0 to 60 in like 4.7 or 4.8 seconds, which is really good for a giant luxury sedan like this. This is a really, really nice luxury sedan. It's super quiet in here. And with the Ultra, you have extra lamination in the glass to make it even more quiet. The floor mats are super plush. Like I can feel them even with my feet, they feel plush. I just touched it, it's really soft. It's like really, really comfortable and luxurious in here. It's so quiet. All Volvos are really quiet and luxurious, but the Ultras are on another level, especially this S90. It's so nice and poised, and then like you can, if you hit the gas, if you want to overtake someone, you can definitely do that. I like the power delivery, it's nice. I really like the power delivery in these Recharge products. I don't really see S90s on the road that often either. They're not very common. I mean, obviously big luxury sedans are not that common in today's market anyway, where SUVs dominate most vehicle sales. But it's really nice, refreshing to see nice cars like this. I mean, I really like this car. It's super nice. And like, you can carry your passengers in comfort, or you could buy this car and be chauffeured around in it. It just really isolates you from the road. Definitely has like a Bentley Continental, no, not Bentley Flying Spur or Rolls-Royce Ghost vibe in here. And I think $72,000 for this car is not bad at all. When you consider like the German rivals, 7 Series S-Class, they're like all in the $100,000 range. And as I was saying, as I said, it's impressively quick. Let's put it in the hybrid mode. See how that changes things up. In the hybrid mode, the acceleration won't be as instant because the car is trying to charge the battery. But either way, it's still quick no matter what mode you're in. You just feel like a sense of peace when you're driving these Volvos. They're just so peaceful. And what I love about this plug-in hybrid, the Recharge Volvo plug-in hybrids and Recharges, is they're the best of both worlds, right? I personally would not want to go full EV. Like, I would really want to have a Volvo plug-in hybrid as a daily driver, like a V60 Polestar, something like this too, because like, you know, you can just plug in the car, right? And then have like 40 miles, and if you just drive around town every day, at low speeds, you basically don't even need to get the gas, and you have 300 miles of range on the gas tank, right? And a lot of people who buy these Volvo plug-in hybrids, I've asked them, they said they barely ever see the fuel pump. They get like 400 miles of range based off of their driving habits, and they barely ever have to see the fuel pump because of how convenient the plug-in hybrid system is, and they can just plug in the car. So it's really, really nice. I think plug-in hybrid is a great way to have both gas power and electric power, because yeah, and electric cars, some are cool, but I don't think I'd be very happy with just an electric car, like no chance. I don't know, I just really like the hybrid setups in PHEVs and things like that. But yeah, you can see the center console storage where I put my phone. I don't see a wireless charging tray anywhere here. I wish it had that. That would be nice. I mean, this interior has been out for quite a while now, but it still holds its own. I mean, it gives you everything you need. It's elegant. I like it. But I do wish this one had the Bowers & Wilkins, because I love the Bowers & Wilkins sound system in Volvos. Are really nice. And also it has like the extra speaker up there, which looks beautiful. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grub's family dealerships and Grub's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for beautiful Volvos like this S90.